This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, let's get started, guys. I don't see Sachin here.
Sham, like I can share you my screen for account creation. This is Sandeep.
Yeah, okay, Sandeep. Yeah. So I believe like Chandra also told the same yesterday. So I would like. Um, so Chandra, is that okay for you to go with Sandeep, or you will do the things for us?
If Chandra want to do, I'm okay for that. It's not a problem for me.
Because yesterday Chandra came up after Sachin. That's the reason I'm asking. That's
Okay, no worries, no worries. He can go
okay.
ahead.
Yeah, let me check with Chandra.
Anything
Chandra,
is
go
fine,
ahead.
Shyam. Anything is
Chandra,
fine for me.
Chandra, go ahead. No problem. It's not a problem for me.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Sandeep. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
So Chandra, I'm making you the presenter.
Yeah,
So
okay.
go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, we're able to. So Chandra, please go to Google.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah. So you can go with like Azure account, free account, or okay. So one second, Chandra, don't go. Can
Yeah,
you come a little bit back?
yeah,
So guys, within the Google level, you can type in something, like Azure free account. Okay, Azure free account. So you'll be getting the link. So click on the link, and once you have the link open, so you can see something like your sign in. So currently, we do not have any account created with respect to your Microsoft, right? So what I'll do, what we want to is like since we don't have any, like a kind of account with Microsoft, so we cannot provide the email ID in here directly. So we need to create your account first. So for that reason being, so we have at the bottom of the, the same email, phone number, Skype you see there. At the bottom towards you can see something like no account, create one. So can you click on that one? Yeah. So just trying to create now. I'm trying to create a new account in here. So here we need to provide the email ID which is not tagged to your Microsoft account earlier. So please make sure that particular point in here. Okay. So go ahead and type in your email ID which is not tagged to your Microsoft account earlier.
yeah, okay.
Click on next. Yeah, this is already there. So do we have any other email ID, Chandra?
No, Shyam.
Mm,
Let me create one.
With existing
don't
email ID, we cannot create an account here.
No, which is already tagged to Microsoft, it doesn't allow to create again. And guys, don't use your official company's email ID in here. Don't do that. So try to use your personal email IDs only if you want.
Yeah, this is personal email.
Okay, then
So
you can go
Sham,
ahead.
Sham,
Yeah,
one thing I
Chandra.
want to ask you. So like I'm working with Nokia Singapore, so I cannot use that Nokia email ID.
So you're working with?
Nokia.
No, don't provide those things because this is your individual account here. You're trying to provide things here. Okay, so don't
Okay,
try
no.
to, because that is a organization related email ID, right? So don't do that one. This is just for practicing purpose.
Okay,
So
thank you so much.
yeah. So here the email ID has been provided, and here they're trying to provide your password, which is helping us to log in into your account in here. Okay, so go ahead and click on next. I can say never. So Chandra01414@outlook.com. That would be your user ID going forward. So click on
Yeah,
next in here. Yeah, to create an account, click on next. So here it's asking to pick the starfish. Okay, so just click on the image which is having the starfish. Yeah, click on that. Now it navigates to your actual page where it asks you your personal IDs and all those things in here. Oh, you already have an account or what?
I think no, no, Sham, I don't have it regarding this.
Uh, then how come you directly came here?
Uh,
Okay, let me check with sorry, Sandeep. What about you? Your email ID is already tagged to your, with respect to Microsoft, or is it any new email ID you have with you?
Yeah, I have couple of email IDs, but I don't know. I need to check.
Okay, so in that case,
Then just you can give me access. Let us try. Can you give me access for presentator?
yeah, I'll do that. So Chandra, is that okay for you? Can
yeah,
we
yeah,
go
yeah,
for now?
it's fine, Sham. Yeah,
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 because already been saying it's been tagged with your Microsoft somehow, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So make me share my screen first, and then I'll make Sandeep as a presenter. Sandeep ready, right? Make presenter. Yes, Sandeep, I made you the presenter now. Please go ahead and share your screen. Yeah. So you can say Azure portal, or or the Microsoft Azure account sign in. So create an account. Azure portal, create free account. Yes, go ahead. So now, so this is the first screen you're having in here. So just click on start for free. Yeah, even this should come up. I don't know, even you missed it. Oh, this is directly taken to HCL. So you can click on your use another. Yeah, go ahead and click on create one. So now provide your email ID, which is not tagged your, Microsoft earlier. Or else, if you don't remember the things, or we can create a new one quickly. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. So just a new email ID, and we can use that in here. Even that is also we can do it. So I think you are again going the same thing here, guys. So are you trying to create a new email ID, or this is your existing one? The Sandeep09, what you have in here.
You want me to create new email ID first, right?
Yeah, try to get a
Yeah,
new email ID, and you can use that in here.
okay,
So
let's create quickly. Let's
yeah,
create a new email ID.
5 minutes, create quickly. Yeah, you
Yes,
can
yes,
say
yes.
like a email account create.
Okay. I'm doing that.
Yeah, no problem. You can say Sandeep Azure Devops 123 or any other number on you, or you can add your phone number, the last 5 digits, something like that, so that it will be unique. Yeah, this is working good. Click on next, confirm the password. I don't believe these are mandatory, but great. Go ahead, provide the same user ID. So go to the inbox or okay. Azure portal. Yeah. Create free account. Click on start free. You provide your new email ID, what you have in here. Click on next. No. You have to click on create one first. Yeah. Then provide your email ID. So just put the same password. Yeah. Now verification code will be sent to your email. Just go and copy the code from there and put it here. Yeah. See, you got a email from Microsoft. You can just type in here what's code you have. Okay, great. So next again, just for pick a starfish even for you. Yeah, that's it.
This is a one starfish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same. Now it should ask you the details of your, with respect to your name, your personal name, all the things here. This is the one. So now guys, if you see here in the top, the very first one show you the country or region. So it show you Singapore. Try to make that as India. So I don't know why it's showing Singapore over there.
Currently, I'm in Singapore right now. It's not a
Oh
problem,
yeah.
right?
Okay. I'm sorry then. Then it's okay. Then leave it as it is. Yeah, just actually it should take automatically, but I thought you're from India. Anyway, that's
No,
okay.
like currently I'm staying in Singapore only.
Okay, then that's great. Then you can mention your first name, middle name is optional, last name, and your email ID. Phone number, don't provide your country code. It's just provide your the number what you have.
Okay. Use this phone number to verify my identity, right?
Yes, of course.
So
Enable it, and then click on text me.
text me.
Text. So you'll be receiving a code to your
Yes.
mobile phone. Just put it over here.
Yeah, I have received.
So they're trying to authenticate your phone number.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say verify code.
Yeah, I have verified. Agree, right?
One second.
Okay, okay. You can access if like you can control my screen also. If I'm doing any wrong, like you can quickly
Not a
access.
problem. So can you click on verify code one more time?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
verified. Now
it's
it's verified.
yeah, it's not. So now, okay, just provide your addresses, just address line one, and or the city and the name in here.
Yeah.
So check boxes enabled, very good. And just go ahead and try to click on next now. So it's not required, it's optional, but if you want, you can put it, not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and click
Next.
on next. So next is land now. It'll try. Any problem? It's going. Yeah, it's going. So next is like now your actual card verification will be there here. Okay, and you have to provide your card details, your everything, your CVV number, and as per it, all the things in here. So what I recommend you here, Sandeep, just
Yes.
stop to share screen sharing. Try to enter all your details and just try to come up with your screen again once you complete providing all the details in here. So you can
You,
see here your card details, your expiry date, your CV number, all those things.
okay.
So once completing and before just providing your OTP, just share your screen back so that we can know how much it has been detecting in here. Generally in India, it will take 2 rupees, but now
Okay.
you see, right? So I have to see in which, like I think it will be detected in ringgits,
So
right?
like no in dollars, Singapore dollars. So like
Singapore dollar.
everyone will be in like they will be in clear. So like how the process and how the amount will be detected, right? If I share the screen finally.
Yeah. Don't, as of now, stop sharing. Try to enter all your details, your CV number, everything. Before
So
entering the OTP, just share your screen back so that we would like to see how much it has been detecting from your account. You got my
now my
point, Sandeep?
yeah, got it. Now my screen is sharp, right?
No. We're able to see your screen still.
So I cannot find here options. Make presentator
No problem.
include.
I'll try to share my screen. It will go on for you.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Then I'll proceed.
Yeah. Now people can see my screen, I believe. So you can go ahead,
Yeah,
make things done, and I'll share. I'll make you presenter back in again once you're done with the things.
okay. Okay, I'm doing. I'll quickly do that and I'll get back to you. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay.
So guys, so here with respect to India level, just a 2 rupees will be deducted. So once you complete your entering all your card details, your CVV number, everything, when you click on next, so there'll be OTP sent to your mobile phone. So you have to enter that as usual. So this is, when you try to do any transaction with respect to your cards in here, there's the same thing in here as well. So once you enter the OTP, automatically the 2 rupees will be deducted with respect to your account in here within India. But let's see how it's happening in Singapore dollars in here. So that is the reason being I requested Sandeep to share back before entering the OTP so that we can see how much it has been detecting for Singapore level. Okay, and it is not like the amount is be detecting in here. As I told you earlier, within a couple of hours or the same day itself, those amount which has been deducted will be credited back to your account again. So why they are been deducting and crediting back? Just to make sure you are providing a valid credit card details. That's it, guys, nothing more than that. So to have your genuine, to make sure that you're trying to provide a genuine credit card or active status credit card, there are all these people they're trying to detect some amount, and again they have been creating that particular amount back to my account again in here. That's only Reason being, they're trying to detect, or else it's totally purely zero. Nothing will be charged for the first 30 days in here. At the same time, it's like around 14,500 rupees within India amount. But let's see how much it has been provided for Sandeep, because he is in Singapore. Okay. So let's wait until he enter all the details for regarding his card, everything in here. So is that done, Sandeep? So I recommend people who are having the cards, please try to do the same thing, in parallel to us, so that you can have your free accounts created. So that's it. That's the last step. Once you have, you send enter the OTP, you will be successfully creating your Azure account with respect to your email ID what you have provided. So going forward, your email ID will be your user ID, and the password what you provided while you creating the account, that will be the same password again in here. Yes, Sandeep. So shall I make you presenter back in again? Oh, you already entered. How much amount it got detected? Sandeep?
Maybe Sandeep, are you on mute?
No, he's not in mute. I think some issue with this microphone, I believe.
Hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, I was I'm at this page now. So you want me to sign in?
You already came up out. Okay, just hold it.
Okay,
So
okay,
guys,
no problem.
once you complete, may I know how much it has been deducted for you?
I did not get that. After sign upping, I was jumped to this page now.
No. Like before, while after entering your card details, did you enter the OTP, something like that?
No, it did not ask OTP. For
Probably
for some
different.
for some payments, it will not ask OTP in Singapore for some payments.
In Singapore, maybe the things may be different. Okay, not a problem.
Yes,
Not
yes.
a problem.
For debit card, it will ask. For credit card, it will be detected directly. So I'll check my history and I'll update you like 1 or 2 days. After 1 or 2 days.
Good, not a problem, Sandeep. Yeah, we just want to know how much is what. Anyway, that will be get back to account again. So
Yes,
not a
yes.
problem.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
open my credit card net banking and I'll check and I'll get back to you, because everyone also should know, right?
Yeah, just in case, this is for Singapore, right? That's just what we want. But if it is in India for rupees, yeah, it's 2 rupees for sure.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Anyway. So once you complete creating, giving you OTP and all those things, here, guys. So it asks you for the feedback. You can just provide here. It's looking good and your experience is very good in here, and you can click on OK. So once you come done with that, it should automatically navigate to the Azure portal page. Okay, but somehow here they're showing you some kind of email ID in here. Okay, go ahead and sign in your email ID in here. The user ID. Yeah. So now, and you can see, go to Azure portal. Click on it. Yeah.
I need to click here, right?
Yeah, the same email ID what you used to create the account.
Okay.
So on the top left, you can see home. Everybody will do the same. Yeah, that's it. Click on home button. That's it. So this is your portal, guys. Okay, and this is your portal, and you can create your you can create your resources in here. So on the top you can see some bell icon, and you can see one over there. So that is a notification tab. No. Oh, not over there.
No,
Okay, you're trying to bookmark.
I'm saying to bookmark.
You can click on the start button on the same URL what we have. Yeah. Click on save.
No.
Now you can click on save it. That's automatically that will be saved. It will be seen the bookmarks. I think it's already saved, I believe.
Okay. Then
So on the top you can see something like icon, bell icon with like one over there. Yeah, just yeah, that's the one which is trying to show you the notifications if you have any in here. Okay, so in generally they should show you the amount in here. I mean, how much amount they try to provide you as part of your free account. Okay, so in generally in India it's like around 14,500 rupees they're trying to go with. Now on the see here on the left hand within the main page, now just cross that one, close your notifications tab now.
okay, let me close.
Yeah, so now you can see your subscriptions. In the second row you can see subscription, like a key symbol on here within the main page. Within the main, no, not there, Sandeep. Yeah, second row. Yeah, exact subscription. Just click on that. You should see your free subscription. I'm not sure. Can you click on the subscription? Let me go and check it out what kind of you choose over here. No, over there you can see the entry right under the subscription name, subscription, Azure subscription 1. Click on that. Yes. Yeah.
Anyway, we have signed
Trying
up
to
through
go
free
with.
account, no?
So Azure plan. The plan is owner, Azure plan secure. So this looks a little bit different for me.
Sam, like it will be different from country to country, or it will be same or based on geolocation.
I think it'll be based on geolocation in here. Country to country it may change.
Okay.
The kind of
No.
thing.
Everything will be changed, but coming to like in India, we for coming to in India, like they charges 2 rupees and they'll revert back, right? Can
Yes,
like
exactly.
in the same case, like in Singapore, like they'll deduct $2 and they'll revert $2.
Yeah, so they should do that for sure.
Okay,
But
no worries.
again, you can see here on the top, you can see like you cancel the subscription. So you can
Okay.
cancel the subscription at any point of time so that you can stop your things in here if you want.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah. Okay, this is guys, this is how you can go and create your, generally you should see free trial subscription in here. You can see Azure subscription 1 in here, but generally you should see as a free trial. The name itself is it will be like free trial over there. But somehow here for Sandeep is looking at Azure subscription 1.
Then why is showing like that?
That's what I'm seeing.
Anything, any updates or any changes in like Azure? Showing up that?
So you have chosen start for free, right? That.
Yeah, start for free only.
It should be a free subscription somehow, like. Okay, not a problem. So this is the case, guys, where how you can go ahead and you can create your accounts.
Yeah, Sham. Hello.
Yeah.
Shrikant here, Sham. In the profile, choose the HTML.com also. Can you show that?
No,
Sandeep,
no, no. That is
yeah.
one.
So why
Don't
it's
go with that.
no, why it was showing like that?
No, this is my
Because
personal.
he has
All my,
a
I've logged in my Microsoft account here, so that's the reason it's showing like this. But we should not click on this. This is like my company email.
company's
So like,
one.
yeah, we should
Okay.
always
There is
go.
also tagged in here. Because you know the name, the phone number, all those things are looking a little bit similar. For that doesn't mean it's been tagged over here. So already, you know, when you're trying to open his, when you're trying to create your Microsoft account, you for the first time you search like HCL, right? Because within the Microsoft it already knows that there is a one account created from this particular system with HCL. So what are the different accounts are being used from this particular system? All the things will be tagged in here. So HCL is his organization one, so we should not touch that. So that's the real time. Okay. So guys, while try to create your account here, do not try to go with your organization email IDs. It's not good. It's illegal. Okay. Do not use that. Try to create your own personal email ID and try to proceed with that particular email IDs only. Okay. So so you will be in trouble if you try to use your company's email ID in here. That's not correct. Okay. So let me go back now. Let me share my screen. So I'm logging into my user ID as of now. This is my user ID and I'm trying to enter my password. So the same thing what Sandeep saw just now, my account. So I can see the same again, the similar kind of stuff with me as well. So even I have my subscription. So when I click on the subscription here, so this is my own subscription and then the subscription ID and my account admin, and this, I'm into not a, I'm not into free account anymore. So I have already upgraded myself to pay as you go model. So the second level I already done it. So for that reason being, you can see some amount in here, the current cost. So when you click on my subscription here, so I can see, generally you can see all the things in here.
Shyam,
Yeah,
able to see your screen. Actually, have you not shared those?
I have shared it. Is that same case with others as well? You're not able to see my screen, guys?
Where I'm able to see screen. I'm able to see screen.
Visible, right? So then probably like you go just log out and log in once so that you can make the thing, you can get the things refresh once.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure. So, and now here, see, this is you can cancel your subscription at any point of time. So now I'm into, see the offer, I'm into my pay as you go in here. So I'm not in, I'm not in your free trial anymore. I'm not in your pay as you go, I'm not in a free trial in here. So I'm in pay as you go model in here because I've already upgraded from free trial to pay as you go model. So if you remember earlier, we spoke about this one. So the kind of that. So subscriptions. This is the free trial subscription when you're trying to create for the first time. But later on, you can jump into pay as you go model. So this one, this is from where you have to pay from your pocket. But up to first 30 days, your your Azure will try to provide you some amount as a credit amount in here, so that you can go ahead and you do the practice part as we had discussed in the last class. So my this particular first subscription is already done, my free trial day is done. So now I need to go into my pay as you go model. So that is the reason I'm into the same offer in here. Okay, so it's not like only one subscription you can go with. You can, if you want, you can create multiple subscriptions as well within the same account in here, Azure account in here. So I want to, if you want to add more, yes, I can add my more subscription as well in here. Okay, but do not try to do this. Even my free trial is done. So see, it's been disabled. So I can either go with my pay as you go students in here. Sorry, pay as you go model, or for Azure for students. So this one is, this one we're not going here because this will ask you for different kind of details. So this is purely for the people who are in, the USA, or the people who are doing the masters, all those things, because when you're trying to click on this one, they'll clearly ask you, okay, what are the the email IDs of your or school, what you're working, who you're studying in, so what are the contact numbers, all those things in here. So you see, use a university or school email to sign up and renew your what you have a student in here. So you should have all those options in here. For that reason being, I'm not going with this particular part in here. Okay, so in generally you can go ahead and you can try to upgrade yourself to pay as you go model. So once you're done with your offer a free trial, automatically you will be selecting this one in here, the second half one in here. Okay, so I'm not running any subscription here. So you can create multiple subscription within the same account, and each subscription will be having their own resources, all the things in here. So this is the main thing. This is how you can go ahead and you can create your Azure account with respect to your email IDs and your all the things in here. So now before going forward, I would like to make sure a small thing to understand in here regarding your concept called as your resource groups. Resource groups in here. So this is one of the important concept. As you have subscription will be tagged automatically to your account in here. Similarly, without a subscription you cannot create any resources. Suppose if you go home here, I'm having my virtual machine, for example. When I click on my virtual machine, it will clearly ask me, first thing is like, which subscription you trying to use to create this particular virtual machine in here. So if you see here, I can see my subscription. So if you try to create multiple subscription, you can see the total list of subscriptions in here. Okay, for every subscription you have to pay. Everything is a cost model in here. So make sure you don't have multiple subscription. Probably in your real time they may have multiple, but as per our training session here within our personal accounts, don't try to create multiple things, because each and everything what you do is being charged. So I don't want you people to waste your money simply like that. So choose a subscription here. So subscription is mandatory. It's very important to have a thing. Choose a subscription before creating your respective resources in here. Similarly, I'm going to go home here and I would like to choose something like my app services. For example, I'm trying to create one more other resources called as for web applications. So even when you try to do this one, the very mandatory thing is subscription. Right? Wherever you go, subscription is very mandatory part in here. Okay, so without a subscription you will not have your account. First of all, at the same time you cannot create any resources within your cloud level. So subscription is very important. But anyway, the subscription will be tagged or created by default once you create your account. We just saw with respect to your Sandeep's account as of now, right? Now I would like to extend a little bit more with respect to my subscription in here. So I'm trying to go with a very generic example in general how we have it in your real-time environment, just a small organization, and with respect to the different things what we have, the clients or the different projects what we have for every organization here. So this is my, for example, thing that this is my organization. This is my ABC, some ABC company. So when you have a company, every company will be having their own clients, right? So think that this is my some banking client in here. Similarly, I'm having one more something like an insurance client, something like insurance client in here, for example. So this company, it contains two clients. One customer is a banking customer, another one is it's a insurance customer in here. Good. So whenever you have a client in here, so obviously you'll be having what? You'll be having your application running with respect to your bank in here. So for now, let me go with a small example like, okay, I'm having a savings account application. Savings account application. Similar to this one, Similar to this one, I'm also having one more, right? No, like current account application. Similar to this, I'm having other application with respect to bike, home loan application, home loans application. So these are not different kind of applications are available for me with respect to my banking sector in here or banking client what you have in here. So all this application will be coming under my bank, right? Similar to this kind of things what you have, similar kind of applications will be also available for my other client as well. That even my insurance contains your savings account or something like the current account or something like like home loan. Even LIC or for example like insurance companies also will try to provide you home loans as well, right? So they will be having home loans as well as here. So all these are what multiple applications which are running below or within the tree of my client name. So for banking client, all this application belongs to my bank. All this application belongs to my insurance client in here. So to run my each and every application to whom I need my members, right? To run my savings account application, I need I need my developer in here. I need my okay. So these people are working for my with respect to my savings accounts in here only. So they will not have access to my current account or they'll not having access to my home loan in here. Yeah.
Hello. Yes, I'm sorry to
Yes.
disturb. I have created this Azure account, and I received a message that after a deduction of 2 rupees from my merchant, it was received that auto pay e-mandate active, merchant Microsoft Business card on file, current transaction 2 rupees, and maximum transaction will be 2 lakhs.
I didn't.
Frequent presented, and it is showing a start date as 2nd February. End date until cancelled. Is it right?
No, can you explain what actually happened?
Yeah, I have done the payment, credit card payment for this free set, and it was deducted 2 rupees, and I have received a message from the merchant, that HDFC Bank credit card. I
Okay.
have used it, and I have received this message that auto pay e-mandate active
Okay.
for the merchant Microsoft Business, and transaction amount is 2 rupees, and it is showing maximum transaction amount is 2 lakhs.
Okay, so I believe what actually happened is like auto pay mode has been enabled for your HDFC account. So
Okay,
whenever you made a as of now, it's a free trial. But after free trial, when you go to pay as you go model, what happens once you invoice has been generated for every month, that amount will be auto paid from your account, from your credit card. You no need to take care of payment, all those things. That will be auto paid. It's like a ECS, I believe it happened. So what I
okay,
recommend is that call your bank customer care and stop that. Don't allow
sure,
your Microsoft to detect the amount immediately. So don't do that. It's not good. Sometimes
sure.
if you are unfortunately you left your resources over there and it became like 10,000 rupees, that will be deducted immediately from your account, which is not really good. Please call your customer care HDFC and ask them to stop your auto debit if you have anything such kind of things.
Sure,
Okay.
Shyam, I will go with that. And I have received this notification as in the Azure portal that 14,500 credit remainings for the
Exactly.
subscription of free trial.
Exactly. So 14,500 is the credit amount which will be provided by your
Remaining.
Azure level. So why they're trying to provide all this amount in here? Because they want to use this amount in here to practice purpose, because when you're trying to create any resources within your portal level, the amount how much you consume. For example, you see here I have created the kind of configuration with this help configuration create a virtual machine, and actually this is like 2000 rupees per month. But what I have done is like I have consumed for 2 hours and later I have deleted my VM. So since you consume for just for 2 hours, now what will happen if it's 2000 rupees per month, how much it will cost you per hour? Maybe 3 rupees, not more than that. So since it's 2 hours, the total number of hours is 3 into 2, 6 rupees. So this amount will be deducted from your amount 14,500, which has been provided by your Azure in here. So this amount they're providing for what? For your practicing purpose, because if they're trying to say it's a free trial, and this amount what you consume you should not pay from your pocket. For that reason being, to make the things happen, to deduct this amount in here as per your consumption, they're trying to provide you this amount in here 14,500 as a credit amount, so that whatever the consumption you do, that will start deducting from this particular 14,500 amount in here. But once it becomes zero, your account will be stopped. Keep this in mind, guys. But if you're trying to, as I told you earlier, if you're trying to practice rigorously and within 20 days the value of this value is zero, then your account will be stopped. Or even though you are 30th day, after 30th day still you have amount left in here, don't think that this amount will be carried forward. Even in this case as well, your account will be stopped. So either your number of days which reaches earlier, either number of days or amount equal to zero, which condition comes first, which is happening earlier, automatically your account will be stopped. Either amount is zero or you reach to 30th day. Neither of the cases, in both of the cases, your account will be stopped for sure. Okay.
Okay, Shyam.
Going back now. So here again, now I have a company and I have a clients, and under client I have my multiple applications running in here. To support my application, to run my application, I need multiple peoples in here. So it's like a team you have in here, where the developers, your admins, your testers, a DevOps person, all this team which is working for this particular application here. Similar to this one, I also have more people. I also have more people working for my other application, and similar case I'll be having more people working for my other application as well in here. So this one for my home loan and this team for my current account in here. Similar case, I may be having my own team with respect to my LIC client, sorry, insurance client as well in here, right? So each one will be having their own team in here. So now my scenario is like, this is a common strategy you follow or you see wherever you go in any company. So without, every company has a clients, and each client there'll be a lot many applications running. For each application there'll be a team working for it. So now I'm trying to map this one with respect to your Azure account. The similar kind of stuff I'm trying to have you with respect to Azure account. So this one I'm trying to make it as a Azure account. Azure account what you created. So under Azure account, what is the basic things which has been tagged automatically to have your resources created? That's nothing but my, what is that? My subscription. Correct? You saw your subscription already tagged to your account in here. At the same time, if you want, you can create multiple subscriptions as well. So I would make this as my subscription 1, or I'm trying to create one more subscription on my own, something but my subscription 2 in here. So making, what are these are? These are nothing but my resources, or this is not my team who is working for my account in here, who is working for my particular application in here. So is it like possible without having my application, do you take your team and what you do by simply taking the team in here? They're simply sitting idle with no use in here, because there's no application. So what to work in here? Nothing to work in here. So hiring the people, hiring the team without having application is meaningless. Correct? Similarly here as well. So when you try to have the things in here, you try to hire your team only when you have a application in here. The same case, so it's an interdependence in here. Without an application, no team will be there. Even though you have application, even though you have people and no application, again it's meaningless. In either of the cases, both are meaningless in here. No application, no team. I mean, both are interdependence in here. You got my point, right? So now the similar case, what you do is like, take that, this is nothing but my multiple resources you're trying to go with, like my, like my virtual machine in here, or like, my virtual network. Let me write down full form. Virtual machine, my virtual network. So all these are what my different resources which I'm trying to create in here, or my, storage accounts, or what else, my containers, or my, Kubernetes services. So all these are nothing but my different resources which I'm trying to create within my portal in here. So as you know, this is an interdependence within my application and my resources in this case in here. This is my normal case. So without application, there'll be no teams working in here. Similarly, here as well, to have my team or to have my resource to be created, one more important thing is like interdependent in here is like, it's a resource group. Resource group. So resource group is another one of the thing in between in here, where you can have your, create your resources only when you have your resource group in here. So resource group is something, it's like it's a hierarchy level. So to create your resources, the first thing you should have a subscription, and second thing you should have your resource group in here. Then only you can have your resources created successfully in here. Okay, so this is like your subdivision of your main subscription, or I would say, think that these are all are the students of a particular school, name as subscription 1. So when I go and ask you, okay, to which class you belongs to, I belongs to class 10, I belongs to class 5. Similarly, this people belongs to my class 1. So these are what subdivision of my whole school in here. So taking subscription of the whole school, these are nothing but like classes and classrooms or standards what you're trying to go with, and these are the people in here. So without the people you are having in here, what is the meaning of having your classroom in here? Keeping your classroom empty, is that okay? Is it meaningful? No, right? We're waste of time. So when you have a people coming in within your school level, then only you can create your classes in here. Similarly here as well. So both are indeed again like interdependence you have in here. Without a class, people cannot sit anywhere. Similarly, without a people, you cannot create a class in here. What is the use of having an empty class in here? It's waste of time. So both are interdependence in here. Similarly here as well. Here, these particular resources should be created or can be created only when you have a respective resource group in here. So all these resources what you have belongs to my resource group 1. Similarly, I'll try to create my resource group 2, similar to your classes in here. And here I'll be having a separate kind of resources again in here as well. So it's not necessary that you can have all your resources in one resource group, or it's not necessary to create multiple resource group as well in here. So within one resource group, you can create all these resources in here. So whatever the resources I'm trying to create in here, so it's asking for my resource group as well. So whatever you go, wherever you go, along with my, if you take in my virtual machine in here, when I'm trying to create my virtual machine, the two things which are mandatory is what? One is your subscription, another one is my resource group. So these two are mandatory, because when you're trying to create any virtual machine here, it's asking you in which resource group this particular virtual machine fall in. Exactly similar the same logic regarding your schools and your classrooms. So when I talk about a particular student on here, you may ask you which class you're studying and which school you're studying in generally. Similarly here as well, when I trying to create any resource in here within my subscription level or within my Azure account, you should mention two things: which subscription you want to create here, at the same time in which resource group you want to create in here. So you can have one subscription. Under one subscription, you can have multiple resource groups, similar to your school level in here. Okay, and under each resource group, you can create multiple resources in here. So all these people or these resources comes under my one resource group in here. If you delete your resource group, all the resources what you already created, those will be removed totally. Okay, so it's very, very important, guys. Once you delete your classroom, if the classroom is totally deleted, then what happens? Oh, all the students who are sitting in the particular classroom is also will be gone. Correct? Similar case here as well. So once you delete your resource group, all the resources what you created under that particular resource group will be deleted successfully in here. Okay, so this is your basic things you have to understand before going forward, because when you're trying to create any resource within your Azure level, you have to make sure which subscription you're trying to create and which resource group you want to create in here. These two are very, very mandatory. So without knowing these two things, you cannot forward with respect to your resources in here. So one subscription, multiple resource groups you can create, but again, it's not a mandatory. So you can create only one subscription, and underneath that you can have all your resources using only one subscription here. Even this is also possible. But to make the things, to make the things smoother, the readability purpose, what you do, you try to create multiple resources group and try to create your resources under each resource group in here. This is exactly similarly. Just compare with your classrooms and your schools, what you have earlier. Just for identification purpose, when I ask any particular student, he will be trying to say two things: which class he is into and which school he is into. These are two respective for identification for his particular resource. Similarly here as well, for every virtual machine you create, every resource what you create in your Azure level, two things are mandatorily you have to say. What is that? In which subscription you're trying to create this particular resource, and in which resource group you're trying to create this particular resource in. These two things are mandatory. These two things. But that doesn't mean wherever you go, whatever the things you try to create, for example, templates, your ARM templates. This is the ARM templates in here. Click on create some dummy name, click on add. When you're trying to deploy the things in here, it will argue as the same thing. So if here it's asking, forget about this one. This is I don't have ARM template. This is providing me issues. For example, let me go with containers, ACR. So go ahead and click on create your ACR. So it's see asking for my subscription and my resource group. Similarly, if you go ahead and look for app services, click on create. It will ask you for two things: your subscription and your resource group. Similarly, if you want to go and check for my container registries, go and click on create. It will ask you for subscription and resources. So wherever, whatever you're trying to create in here, so whatever the resources you're trying to create in here, for example, Kubernetes services, click on create. It will again ask you for two things. What is that? Your subscription and your resource group. So before entering into your actual details, you should provide your subscription and resource group for sure. So subscription anyway, that will be tagged your account by default. If you want to create more subscription, then choose from the drop-down list in here. But for best practice, don't try to create multiple subscriptions because everything will be charged for you. And this is the what you have to create on your own. So you can create on your own, or you can click on create your resource group. I'll tell you how can you create a resource group in multiple ways later on. Okay. So the base funda is what I want to say is like, for every resource what you're trying to create, for every resource within my account, every resource within my account, whatever we are trying to create, it requires, what is that? Two things. One is your subscription, and second thing is your resource group for sure. So a resource group is nothing but it's like kind of a, it's a kind of a hierarchical way. It's a kind of identity for a particular.
Cannot hear anything.
Sham, are you here?
It seems Sham left. Hello? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, we can hear. So maybe we'll wait for another minute for Sham.
Yeah, okay.
Guys, is today is the first class for this?
May I know your name, please?
My name is Melissa.
Yeah, no, actually, it's not the first class. So we had just had a basic part only. So today, with respect to Azure level, we started your first class, like creation of your account, and we talk about your kind of your resource groups and subscription level.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is this Sham?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Just wanted to ask you, as per subscription, in one subscription, how many resource group can we create?
We can create multiple subscriptions here. Sorry, within one subscription, you can create multiple resource groups.
Got it. And I created my account in Azure. It says that your 1 month is free, $200 credit, but you need to upgrade. So when I went to subscriptions and upgrade, there is a standard subscription and a daily subscription, different kind of subscriptions.
Yeah, you can go with the start one, start free subscription. Have you went for that one?
So we have developer $29 a month. We have standard recommended $100 a month, and professional direct $1,000 a month. And we have a basic included. That's it. It doesn't say how much it is.
Okay. So this is what they're trying to show at the starting level itself. I mean, where you're trying to get a subscription.
Yeah, actually, 1 month is free, but after that, I need to upgrade one of selecting one of these four: basic, professional, direct, standard, and developer.
Okay, can you share your screen, please?
So give me a second.
Okay. So Ravi sir, could you please make us organizer? Hello, Ravi sir. Call him once. Give me 1 minute, guys.
Hello.
Yeah, Ravi sir, could you please make me organizer?
సార్ కొంతమంది ఎవరో వీళ్ళ నేమ్స్ తెలియవు, ఒకసారి వీళ్ళని కాంటాక్ట్స్ పిక్ చేయమని చెప్పరా. ఐరమ్ అని ఒక పర్సన్ ఉన్నాడు, డెల్, ఎన్ఎస్హెచ్, వీళ్ళ కాంటాక్ట్స్ ఒకసారి పింగ్ చేయమని చెప్పరా. శ్వేత.
Okay. So guys, the people who are new here, please provide your mobile numbers and your email IDs to within the chat box in here, so that we can send your recordings to your email ID every day. Okay, and also we would like to contact you just to have a talk regarding all those contents, all those things in here. So please go ahead and try to provide your email IDs and your phone numbers here. Who haven't shared?
ఎన్ఎస్హెచ్ ఎవరు పేరు?
Who is okay. Thank you, Mudda. So who is this NSH here? May I know your name, please?
శ్వేత. శ్వేత ఎవరు?
Sweta B. Yeah, Sweta. So could you please provide your email ID and phone number? Sweta, can you hear me?
మీరు పింగ్ అయిపోతే రేపటి నుంచి లింక్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేరు.
So guys, so don't think otherwise here. So if you're not trying to provide your email ID or phone number, no organizer will try to take away from the list. You may not be able to join the classes going forward. So please provide your email IDs and phone number, guys, so that if you want to continue.
ముద్దా సార్, మీ పేరు, మీ నెంబర్ కూడా ఒకసారి.
Yeah, Muddasir has sent his message, I believe. Yeah, no, okay. So Muddasir, could you please provide your phone number as well? So we do have some things starting.
Yeah, okay, nice. Jyoti, Arav 3. Who is it?
Arav 3. Yeah, may I know your actual name, please? ARAV3. Arav 3.
Arav.
Yeah, Arav. So guys, please go ahead and Sweta B. I think thank you, Sweta, for pinging your email ID and your phone number.
No problem.
Okay then, guys, please go and forward your things when even maybe tomorrow as well, not a problem in here. Okay, so we are looking with someone who's trying to have some question. So who is that? I'm sorry. So with respect to pay as you go model, something, is that Shiva? Mudda sir?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just waiting for you to make me, a presenter, yeah, so that I can show you.
I made it.
Sure.
Yeah, share your screen. Go ahead and share your screen. And guys, as per, just for information, the maximum number of resources groups we can create per subscription is 980. That's the limit they have. And the total number of subscriptions you create per account is 50. Okay.
Can you see my screen?
No, Mudda.
Uh,
So probably you have to click on the share screen.
yeah, I did that, and choose what to share. Entire
Let,
screen, Windows, Chrome tab. So
yeah,
entire
yeah.
screen, right?
You can try to click on the screen which you want to show us,
Entire tab is fine. Okay,
or you can click on enter screen so that it will show you
yeah,
like whatever it has.
got it. So you can
Great.
see right now. So this is what
Yeah,
I
now we
got.
are able to see.
Yeah. Can you see
Okay,
this one?
come a little bit down. No, come scroll down. So go for basic.
Basic one. Okay, fine. So
Yeah,
should I go
because
up to
that
1
will,
month or just start now?
it's not required. It's already completed for you, creating your start your free account.
Yeah, I think so. I came here for subscription. So the status is active,
Mm-hmm.
and there's a
No. See,
notification.
you can see at the top your remaining $200 as a for free credit expires in 30 days.
Got it.
So don't do it right away. So after
Okay.
2000, so you still have $200 with you.
Okay.
Yeah, try to do only after completing it. So automatically your things will be disabled, guys. So what we have created using your free subscription, right?
That's right.
So
That's right.
yeah, once you've done this particular, it's after 30 days, it's keep on prompting you in here. Okay, this is what you left over. This is how many days you're more to go with. So keep on prompting you. So once you reach your 30th day and one or you complete your $200 in here, your account will be stopped. Then you can upgrade yourself. Now it's not required. You can go and
Okay.
create your risk. Okay.
Sure. So
Yeah.
right now this is done, and so for now, for today, this we just need to create the account. That's right.
Yeah, exactly.
Anything else?
Create account. And just we had an basic idea on resource group, what it is, why it is required, all those things in
Got
here.
it. Got
Okay.
it. Sure.
Right then, guys. So that's things for today what we have in here. So tomorrow I'll start with your new concept like creation of Windows virtual machine. Creation of Windows virtual machine in here. Okay. So what are different things are involved in creation of your Windows virtual machine in here? For example, if you go back home and within your virtual machine, so when you click on create in here, when you click on my Windows virtual machine here, so you can see, okay, you provide these things and you can see your name, region, availability option. What did you mean by availability option in here? What is security tab? What is image? What is spot instances? So each and everything. So we'll try to check. So we have password, we have SSH in here. What is user ID password? All each and every point to point what we have in here. Let's go and try to understand the things in here. So this is about only one thing. So similarly, you have your disk, you have a networking, you have management. So we'll try to see all these options here one after one. Let's try to understand the main points in this one, and we can go and try to create your Windows virtual machine. So starting level, I would like to you people to understand the options what we have for every resources, like your virtual machine, your storage account, all those things. For that reason being, I am trying to create my resources using my portal level in here. But generally in your real-time perspective, nobody will come to portal and create your resources. Nobody will do that. Okay, they'll be using some ARM templates. Going forward, I'll explain you that particular part. That is also one of the important concepts within our content level. So to reach through that particular ARM template, so when you show you ARM template directly, you will be a little bit afraid. Okay, because over there it will show you all the options which is required to have your to create your missions in here. For example, this is my ARM template for my virtual machine. See, such a huge one, and you'll be worried about all those things. So it's like, it's not good to show you all these things as of now. So you are in still initial stage only. So to understand all those things, you have to start with creating of your things basic level first, within portal level first, and then we'll try to jump into your ARM templates slowly, because you have to understand what are different things. I need disk level information, I need network level information, I need storage account level information, and also I need, what kind of operating system using in here. I need, the virtual machine name in here. All these different things are required to create your virtual machine. So let's try to understand slowly your things using your portal level first, and then using your command level, and finally we jump into ARM templates. So slowly we'll try to go with in here. So whatever we do in tonight training session, everything we'll try to go with manual level first, and then we'll make that into most automated way where you actually do in your real-time perspective. Okay, we'll see how can you go and try to go with your first resource, your virtual machine in here. So it's quite interesting, guys. You can see a new laptop. I believe I already showed you that within my demo class, but now today what to say, next class we'll try to see the details of every option what you have, and we'll try to understand how can you create your Linux machine as well as your Windows machine as well. So we'll see both of the things, how it goes in here. Okay. So, and as I told you guys, so this is my resource groups. I can go and directly create in here. I'll tell you what the different types of, how can you do it. Either you can create in here, or you can create in your the resource level as well, the virtual machine level as well, or the other things what you're trying to create. We'll talk about all this in your next classes. Okay. So any questions, guys, up to this level? Today we saw mostly on your creation of your account and a little bit on your resource group, which is that's a basic level to before starting your actual things with respect to DevOps. Right then, guys. So guys, again, people who haven't shared your email ID and phone number, please do that at least tomorrow. Okay, so it's not mandatory to do it today itself, no, but because I know people have to understand, if they like it, then they can move forward. Right, I do understand all those things, so it's not mandatory to do it right away. So tomorrow you can come up and you can provide your email ID and your phone number to us, so that we can send you the recordings every day. So what are the classes we happening as of now, the recording session will be sent to your email ID directly. You can download it and you can keep a separate copy of your own, so that you can refer in your future level. So it will be the advantage for you. Okay, thank you guys. Then we'll stop here. We'll meet tomorrow same time back in again. Thank you, have a great day ahead, and bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Sham.
Thank you, Shyam.
Sure, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, bye.